Right, hello everybody, English Woodsman here. I've been reading a lot of comments and people are asking me why aren't I using the Bushbox stove or the Firebox stove to cook steak anymore. And I was in my local butcher's getting some mince for tea and I thought, you know what, let's grab some steak. Let's get one of the stoves out and let's get down to the woods. Let's go back to where we were, I said 2 years ago on this channel. So I used to love cooking on these sort of stoves. Simple little fire inside, let it die down a bit, then we'll put the steaks on. Now they're not massive steaks, they're small steaks, I'll show you in a bit. I want to get them so I do a decent size to the top of the grill. So as I get to where I want to be, I'll bring you back and then we'll start cooking some juicy steak. So looking forward to this. Right, so I've reached the spot where I've done a lot of cooking like this on these type of stoves. On the way in, I was just picking up some small bits of sticks, what are nice and dry, what I can start the Bushbox stove off with. That's always a bit of a bonus to collect, as you see. But as always, someone's been and made a right mess. So I've got to organise this first before I can start doing anything. This has been used quite a lot, so the problem I'm having now is trying to get it to stay in place and lock in. Because you can tell by that it's badly warped. It's not too bad. I'll get it in place, definitely. It's just going to be a bit of a fight. Right, we're all in there apart from this side. Now lock it in. There we go. We're all ready to go. So if you've not seen one of these before, you light your fire in there, you build up a bed of embers, and then you slowly feed it as you're cooking some steak or whatever meat you want to put on top like that. And then you've also got these sticks here we can put through, and they come through the other side without pushing it too far anyway. There we go. It comes through the other side. So you can make a little platform there if you want to put like an alcohol stove in it, or you can put them across the top and then you can put a cup on top for it to boil. But I've got a better way to boil water today, so I really don't need these two anyway. And I do have the smaller grill, used it once I think. Right, let's get the fire going. So just while the water's boiling, I've got my steak, and what I'm hoping to do is get them open. I've got some of this barbecued, or smoky barbecue powder for flavouring. So I want to flavour my steak in this. There. It's just got a bit dark in the woods then. I hope we're not forecast any rain, because my phone doesn't say it, but you can never trust the weatherman. You know, a lot of people over there, when I asked about how long they've been on the channel, I reckon a lot of you guys who says from the start, from so and so, will remember days like this, where I used to come upwards and cook like this. That's a bit warm. We're trying to drink. Wow, wait, leave that a little bit longer. But yeah, one time what I used to be good at doing is just sticking wood up and having the fire in a blazing hot, and I was just burning stuff. But I've learned over the time, you know, it's a nice slow heat what's going to cook it better. And I think it's going to rain. We'll see. Yeah, it's a nice gentle heat, not too much. So even though it don't look like it, there's still a lot of heat coming out from the embers at the bottom of the stove. But the steak is almost cooked anyway, and it is raining, but because I'm under trees, I'm getting a bit of a shelter from it. Right, so I've made my way under this big holly bush, getting some coverage from rain. I'm going to eat my dinner caveman style, so fingers and thumbs. Wow. This brings back memories to the earliest times of my YouTube channel. I think this were before all the lockdowns started. And all that stuff, that's when I stopped doing this sort of stuff, outdoors cooking. Kept to all the camping when we were allowed out and stuff like that. But cooking on that firebox stove, well, the Bushbox stove, so I've got the firebox stove as well. That just, it brought back so many memories. I think I called them Friday cookouts or some of the videos. I did them every Friday. You know, if I'm going to be honest, I don't mind being honest on camera to you people, because if I want for you a lot who subscribe to my channel, you know, not all my videos and stuff, I probably wouldn't have the up and go, because I like to bring you a lot of new channels and I like to keep my YouTube channel growing as well. Is I think I started to pull away from what built my channel, if you get what I mean. I think I started pulling away from it. And I think today we've just pulled it back in 18 months. Yeah, it's raining, wind's picking up. I'm under an holly bush eating a barbecue flavoured steak. What more do we really want? Right, so that's the end of my video now. Quick cookout, simple little meal using the Bushbox stove, making myself a coffee, bringing back the videos you guys used to like slightly over 2 years ago maybe. I'm glad I brought them back. Now if you want to see more of this, while camping, a few equipment reviews, click here. You better subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll let YouTube suggest a video up there for you. But most of all, I just want to say thank you, and I'm happy to be back where I am with these sort of videos.